नमस्कार। मेरे इस चैनल में आप सबका एक बार फिर स्वागत है। Today I am planning to prepare an awesome black forest cake with fondant roses on the top and multicolored chocolate strips on the side walls of the cake. Let's begin. सबसे पहले हम डेकोरेशन के लिए रोजेस रेडी करेंगे। रोजेस के लिए हम रेड फॉन्डेंट यूज़ कर रहे हैं। उसको रोल आउट करके 3 डिफरेंट साइज़ के कुकी कटर से हम 3 डिफरेंट साइज़ के पेटल्स को काट लेंगे। सब पेटल का आउटर एज थिन आउट कर लेंगे। रोलर की हेल्प से थिन आउट हो जाएगा सो दैट ईच पेटल लुक्स एज नेचुरल एज पॉसिबल। Once all the petals are thinned out from one side, we'll start making the flower. The innermost layer of the rose will be made with smallest petal. I'll start rolling out the small petal to make the center of the rose. And for first row of the petals, I'm again using the small petals. I'm overlapping them into each other and rotating around the bud. I'm using plain water to stick all the petals. Second row of the petals would be made with medium size petal by interlocking as well as overlapping each other. And same way, the outermost layer of the flower will be made with the bigger petals by overlapping them. And my flower is ready. Same way, we will make 2 more roses with the same pattern. I'm using a fondant floral cutter for the small flowers. I'm making a small depression in the center so that it looks like a natural flower, and I can give a small white little dot in the center to complete the flower. For making the chocolate strips for the side walls of the cake, I'm using white chocolate and pink chocolate. I'm just spreading it on a strip of butter paper, spreading the chocolate evenly. And slicing it using a pizza cutter. This will go in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. All the decorations are ready. Let it set for some time. Now we'll start whipping the cream for icing of the cake. I'm using whipped cream First we'll whip it on slow speed, and after 5 minutes I'll increase the speed. It'll take about 7 to 8 minutes for the cream to be ready for icing. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to give my cream a good flavor. This is a chocolate sponge I have made using premix. We'll slice it in 3 equal layers. Apply sugar syrup on the first layer just to moisten the cake. Put a thin layer of whipped cream. Spread it using spatula and then second layer of the cake. Moisten the second layer with sugar syrup and again apply a layer of whipped cream. Spread it out and put the final layer of the cake. Moisten it with sugar syrup and again apply a thin layer of whipped cream for crumb coat. We'll keep the cake in fridge for about half an hour and then we'll apply the second coat of the icing. I am again using vanilla whipped cream for the sides as well as for the top. Smoothen it out on the side walls as well as on the top. Let the cake sit in fridge for 10 minutes. Now we'll start decorating our cake. First, I'll be putting the chocolate strips on the sides of the cake. Alternatively, one strip white and then one pink and then white and then pink. The top edge of the cake I am making small whipped cream beads. Place the roses on the corner of the cake. Small flowers would be placed on the side of the cake and edges of the cake. And finally, time to tag it. It's a beautiful anniversary cake for a beautiful wife. The cake is ready.